A taste of what could lie ahead was given to us, full stop. We have challenged it, comma, but it is an indication of the type of challenges that you will have to face, full stop. The public sector must give the lead in strengthening the country in the face of such challenges, full stop. You have done well, full stop. I do not want to go into the details, full stop, but what we are expecting definitely from you is much more, and that it is the only reason why we keep pressing you, full stop. The public sector should give lead and the private sector should adopt it and follow, full stop. The new direction must be in developing our own products, comma, in being able to market our own products and compete with the best in the world in the years to come, full stop. I know you have it in you, full stop. Let us hope you start off the second 100 years with an even more remarkable performance, full stop. Next para. Dear sirs, comma, I acknowledge receipt of your letter of the 20th instant and regret to know that you cannot agree to our offer for the supply of woolen shirtings, full stop.